Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Joel, and I'm doing these video tutorials. I'm gonna start doing these video tutorials where I'm teaching y'all basically how to use the AI, different AI tools, not only to like share what I'm learning, but to also really learn. If that makes sense. They say when you teach, you learn double, and it like really sticks. So, all right. With that being said, let's just get to it. What I'm teaching you today, it's actually going to be on Adobe Firefly. So if you want to go to the homepage and type in a standing single slice of bread, detailed, 3D, 3/4 angle with crumbs on a white background. So you go ahead and you would click that. All right, cool. So it looks like, I don't know, let's go with this guy over here. You're gonna want to go under edit and use as a style reference. So once you have it as a style reference on your panel, the bread image should pop up. So go ahead and actually for the strength, you're gonna want to slide that all the way to the right so it's strong. And if you scroll down, this hot air balloon that says minimalism, you're gonna want to click that. Yeah, I should say as well that Firefly image 3 is what you're going to want to select. Firefly image 3. Make sure that's selected. Now at this point, you can go ahead and under composition, I have a letter B that I actually created on Photoshop or an Illustrator. There's different ways to give it a little bit of depth. You're going to want to do that just so when it's created, you can see how the slice of bread is angled. So already you can imagine how that can be beneficial to the final image. So that being said, you're going to want to slide the strength all the way up here, and actually the strength of the bread, you're gonna want to have it down. It's the strength of the B that's all the way up. Okay, so boom, and then the intensity of the visual, that's up. So now it's go time. Hit generate, and there you go. Beautiful.